everyone. So today I'm back with another swap of all the goodies that I got from my friend Nina over Christmas. It is now January 2nd, so Happy New Year to everyone, and I'm so sorry that I couldn't get on in time to tell you Merry Christmas. I actually filmed the Holly Jolly Christmas tag on Christmas Eve, and then I just didn't upload it. So if you're interested in seeing that, let me know, even though it's like 2 weeks after Christmas. Anyways, so Merry Christmas to you. Happy holiday for whatever holiday you celebrate, and let's get on with it. So, let's see. I have to catch my breath. It's been forever since I've done this. I missed all of you. So, like I said, I swapped over Christmas with my friend Nina, who lives in the UK. And, this is the second swap that I've done with her. The first swap was maybe a month ago, and we decided that we kind of want to swap every month or every other month. So I sent her a Christmas gift, and she sent me this in return, and I'm so excited. First of all, I just want to point out how cute this is. It actually came in a box, or a bag. I don't remember which one it was. And it came in this little bag, and it's got a cute design on the top, and it's kind of this mustardy orange color. It might be coming out yellow on the computer because I'm using a MacBook, not my normal camera. So I'm sorry about that, but I am so excited. I love it. And she literally got me so much stuff. So I'm going to dump this out on my table. So hold on. Woo. And I'm going to just start pulling random things out and showing you. So first she got me 3 samples of different Miracle Skin Perfectors. And I'm so excited to try these. I have waited like 4 weeks to do this because I didn't want to use any of it until I had showed you, and then I'm going to use it, and then I'm going to do all that. So that explains why I still have all these, and I think there were 3 of them. There might be more in the pile, but I'm not sure. So they are called Miracle Skin Perfectors, and they're by Garnier, and they're in the color light, and they're daily all-in-one BB cream. So I'm really excited to try these, and they just look like this, like all the other Garnier packaging. Sorry for the lack of nail polish. I'm actually going to be painting my nails for a wedding that I'm going to this weekend, and let me know because I'm trying to choose between these. My dress is black, and I'm wearing a white cardigan, so I wanted to either wear this and do like a purple scarf with it, and this is Revlon's Scandalous, or I wanted to wear Valentine and wear red, except it's not coming true to color on here. It's a very dark red. So let me know what you think I should wear in the comments. Okay, so anyways, back to the swap. So I got these 3 things, and I am so excited to try them, and I will let you know how this works, and if they work well, I might be purchasing the full size because I'm trying to switch up my skincare routine. It's been the same since I put a skincare routine video up, so it needs to be freshened up a little bit. So the next thing that she got, oh, I forgot about this, is the Body Shop Spice Vanilla Soap, and it says a soap sensation scented with vanilla and a hint of spice. I love the scent vanilla. I'll show you before I open it. It just looks like this, and I love the smell of vanilla, and I also love using bar soap in the bath. Okay, so it has this cute little The Body Shop emblem on it, like carved into it. Ignore the nails, ew. And it's got little flecks of what I'm assuming is a spice. It smells really good. It smells just like vanilla and spice. I love it. So excited to try that. And I'll probably put this like in the shower, or I made this little cute container where I'm going to put all my little girly things, because I do share the bathroom with my brother, so I put like all my girly like bath bombs and stuff in there, and I love that. So I'm going to put this in there, or the bath. I'm not sure yet. So then next she got me this Celebrity Eye Palette by W7. I think that's just what it's called. And it is an eyeshadow palette, and I don't think it has like a, maybe Celebrity Secrets is the name of it, but I'm not sure because I don't have this in the US. So it looks like this, and I'm going to actually take the plastic off, and I'm in love with this. I love palettes of all kinds. I'm kind of obsessive about collecting them, and I have way more than I could ever use, but I really love the pictures, the colors in here, because it is like all the smoky colors you could ever want. So, all smoky eye colors. Let me finish my thoughts before I say them out loud. Okay, so it comes with 2 plastic applicators down here. And then, I'm not sure how true to color this will be, but it comes with a peach up here. And then this is a silver, kind of a dark slate brown, or slate gray, and a black. And the black is matte, and then these two are matte, and these 2 are shimmery. So the 2 in the center are shimmery. So let's see if we can get a little closer. Okay, so there, the lighting is kind of terrible, but that's a little bit better of the view of the different colors. And it is on a MacBook, so what can you do? But I'm so excited to try it. And it has a how-to for the eye look, a style look, so it shows you how to create it. So I might have to follow those directions. You never know. And, yeah. I don't think it has a name. So I'm so excited to try this, and I'm actually going to keep it out so I can use it. Okay, and can I just say, this is so cute. I don't have very many makeup bags where I can actually put it like in my purse or in an overnight thing, because my makeup doesn't really get messy at all. So this is like the perfect size for all my stuff. So then she got me a ton of little single shadows, and I am so excited to try all of these, and I will swatch them for you because I'm so excited. So these are all of them, and there's like literally so many of them. So I'm just going to pick at random. So this first one is shade 3 Pearl, and oh no, they all have tape on them. Hold on. Okay, so it's shade 3 Pearl. And I did get some of these in the last swap that we did. And they're from the Makeup Professionals line, which I'm assuming is like the equivalent of maybe e.l.f. here in the States, or just a drugstore brand. Forgive me. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments because I'm not from the UK. So this first one is this really pretty silver color, and it's gorgeous. So I will swatch it. I'll just swatch it on my finger. And it kind of comes out duochrome-y. It's like a purple, I'm so bad at this, purple duochrome look. It's gorgeous, though. I wonder, it's kind of like a blue, I don't know, like a cobalt blue. I'm probably saying that completely wrong. Okay, so then the second one is shade 30 Matte, or shade 20 Matte, sorry. And this is a really pretty, I want to say like a black with a forest green kind of undertone, like a forest green color to it. It's really pretty as well. It's super dark, and so it's got kind of that green blue under instead rather than like a red. So very dark. Very dark. Okay. Love that. I really do not have any black eyeshadows, so I'm so excited that I can actually try to make like a smoky eye. The only ones that I have are like in my palettes, like maybe the Naked palette has a couple, but they're not matte, and that one is matte, by the way. Probably why it's called number 20 matte, or shade 20 matte. Okay, moving on, because this is already 8 minutes long, and I'm not even halfway through. Okay, so get this off. There we go. It's stuck to my finger now. Okay. Oh, I just got black everywhere. Maybe I should wipe my fingers off when I'm done swatching these. Okay. So this one is a really pretty kind of taupey brown color, and this is in the color shade 17 Matte. And this is kind of just like the perfect base color. Ooh, it's very powdery, very matte. It's a really creamy consistency almost. Yeah, so I really like this one, especially for kind of the base. I've used a couple of these now that I'm thinking about it, and I used one similar to this, except it's shade 1 Pearl, and I'll show you this one. I actually dropped it too, but it didn't break. So it looks like this, and it's got more of that pearl color. All these are really, really, really pearly, not pearly, soft, creamy consistencies, which makes it easy to apply. but I'll show you side by side. So this one on this side is the pearl. And so they're really similar in color, if you can tell at all. Okay, moving on to the next one. Oh, this is another one that I am dying to try. You guys, I don't know if you know this, but I'm obsessed with purple eyeshadow. I don't usually wear it unless, like, maybe I've worn it for filming videos and stuff, but I don't wear it out because I'm not daring enough yet. Eventually I will be. But this, oh my gosh, love this color. So it is like a purple sparkly color, and it is pretty much true to color on the camera, which is shocking. And again, it's really super creamy, and creamy is the right word to describe it because look, there. That's how much comes off, and I barely even touched it. It's really creamy, and it's really, really pretty. It's, if you guys vote, and I wear this, Nail Polish Scandalous in the wedding, or to the wedding, because I'm not in the wedding. There's, I think, eyeshadow on my face. Whatever. There's a lot of it, actually. This is why I'm a mess. I'm going to wear this if I wear this, because this is gorgeous. And I will do an outfit of the day as well. Okay, then on to the next one is eyeshadow, and this is, shade 2 Pearl, so I have shade 1 and shade 2 of Pearl. And it is gorgeous as well. This is like the perfect highlight color. And I'm going to be done swatching because I have eyeshadow all over my face. But it's just a really pretty white color. And I'm assuming it's creamy just like the other two that I have gotten that are Pearl. I am so excited. This is like the perfect highlight though. Okay, and then we have this one. Let me get tape off. Okay, this one is shade 16 matte, so it's a matte color, and it's just a really pretty pinky, kind of like a vintage pink color. There you go. It's really, really pretty. It's gorgeous, and just as I say, I'm done swatching. I doubt you're going to be able to pick that up though, because it is kind of like, it's a very, very, very light pink one. And then hold on, I'm thirsty. The last one I've used as well, and I use this in my crease with the other one that I had showed you that I told you I used, and this is shade 16 matte. And this is a dark color for me. I generally would not use a dark color for my crease, but I was feeling especially, I was feeling very daring on this day, obviously, and I used this. And it's really, really pretty. And it's so creamy, and it doesn't look like I used it, but I did. I loved that. Especially in my crease. It just kind of added that definition. Okay. We are so close. Okay, so the next things that she got me was lipstick, and I have used both of these, especially over the holidays. These are by Makeup Professionals Academy. This first one is lipstick shade 5, and it's like the perfect Barbie pink. Except that when you like put it on, it becomes very, very sheer. So you can not really see that very well, I'm assuming, because I'm very pale and it's very bright. But there you go. You can kind of see it there. But if you look at the actual tube, it's a very Barbie pink color, and everything isn't going to be showing up to the color. There you go. It's a very Barbie pink color. I'll put it on. I'm using my computer as a camera. Okay, so then the last lipstick that she got me was shade 11 or 2, I can't tell if it's Roman numerals or whatever. Dark, dark, dark red. I was so, I literally was so excited to get this. Okay, so let's do side by side. Now it looks super dark red, but when you put it on, it's actually a manageable red color, and it's so pretty. So, there you go. It's kind of like a burnt orange red color on your lips, whereas in the container, it's like really red, which it's not picking up really red, but it is really red. So let's rub those off before I put them all over my clothes as well. And then she got me a liquid liner from Makeup Professionals, and it's in shade 5. And I don't think I've messed around with this at all. Like, not even to say, oh wait, no I have. because this is like, oh boy. Okay, so this is like a really, really, I don't know if the tip of this is really, really small and very detailed. And then it's very dark black when you put it on. And I feel like I remember that when I put this on before, it stayed on forever. So this is something that isn't going to budge, which is a good thing, because I did put this on top of whatever, my tight line or whatever, and it didn't budge like the whole time I wore it. And I think I wore it for maybe a whole day, and then when I went to take it off, it didn't come off all the way, which was fine. And so I slept in it, and then the next day I took it off. Okay, then the last one is I think the cat wants to get in, is a 3-in-1 Extreme Contour Eye Pen. I have not looked at this at all, I don't think. Okay, so it can be dramatic, glamorous, or ultra chic. It's in the shade 1 Black. Ew. Okay, so it's like an eyeliner, but it's shaped like square. How weird. Let's do a little, okay. It's very creamy, and very black. It goes on really easily. I'm really excited to use this and see what kind of looks it does. I'm excited. Okay, so that was all the makeup that she got me, and then she got me, which seriously, I didn't think that these existed, and if I'm right, I'm happy, because these are, watch, I'm not right. These are like the bristle brushes for mascara, but, like, I have complained about quite a few of my mascaras, and I can't think of any offhand where I've been like, I hate this. Actually, you know what? There's like no mascaras in here. Where are all my mascaras? Okay, anyways. I've complained about so many mascaras and said that if they had like a bristle brush, I would have loved them. And so this is like my ticket to Bristle Brush City. She got me 3 of these. So I can use these in a bunch of different mascaras. And I'm very excited about that. And even if that's not what this is for, I plan to use it for that. Because I think these are my favorite, like, brushes ever. So, I'm excited. So that is what I got from my friend Mina. And I was so happy when I got this. It was quite the experience. The mail was running really late, and they finally got theirs really late, and I got mine really late. So it was fun, and we're going to be swapping again very soon, so I can't wait to see what we switch then, and then I will show you what she gets me then as well. I'm going to start doing more tutorials, let me put that out there, and I'm going to start incorporating more makeup from the UK. So if there's any of these, if you live in the UK and there's any of these things that you want me to see use in a look, or if you want to see them kind of reviewed after I've used them more, like the eyeliner or what have you, just let me know and I will definitely do that, because I'm so excited to use it. And I love you all so much, and I will talk to you all really, really soon for my next video. Bye!